Hi everyone, this is Satyakala dealing with mathematics of class 5th. Now we have to go to term 2. The first chapter is decimals. Okay, in decimals, get started. You have A Roman. Write the fractions and decimals numbers for the colored parts. First, you have to write the fraction. Already you know the you have three shaded parts 1, 2, 3. So, three total parts are 10 and only shaded parts is 3. Okay, so you have to write 3 by 10. Write in decimal decimal means you have to write in point. Okay, you have in denominator 10. Okay, you have to write one decimal place. You have to write one decimal place, so you have to write this is 0.3. Okay, in second one you have total blocks are 100. How many? 100. But 43 are shaded. Once count 43 are shaded. So you have to write what you have to write fraction 43 by 100. In this you have two zeros in denominator. Okay. So you have to write two decimal places. 0.43. Next go to third one. Total have 100 blocks and only 91 are shaded. So you have to write 91 by 100. You have to write the fraction. Then two zeros you have in denominator, so you have to write two decimal places 0.90. Okay, this is the A Roman. Now go to the B Roman. For write the one decimal number, write the digit in the first. You have to know decimal places. Already you know ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 up to so in place value system. But here in decimal after decimal you have to read tenths, not tens. This before decimal you have to write tens, and you have to write tenths, tenths, hundred hundreds and thousands. Okay, first you have to read this table: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and point after 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. That means 1 by 10 means 1 tenths, 1 by 100 means hundreds, 1 by 1000 means thousands. Okay, point before you have to move left side, and point after you have to write right side. Okay, in 10 steps. Okay, this is the whole number part, and this is the decimal point, and this is the fraction part. After decimal you have to write fractional, so this is called the fraction part, and this is decimal point, and before whole number part, this is okay. This is the decimal system place values. Then you have to write B Roman. First here write places: ones, tens, hundreds. Write in capitals before decimal. After decimal you have to write small letters, that is start with tens. No need to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. All are writing small letters. Okay, before point before you have to write capital letters, point after you have to write small letters. Okay. Now in tens place which number you have? TNS, not tenths. Find out the difference, tens and tenths. Tens means this is 9. Okay. Second, tenths, TENTH. Here TENS, here TENTHS. Tens means this is point after 7. Hundreds, hundreds name 2. Hundreds, hundreds means after decimal 8. Ones place 5 only. Thousands, not thousand. Thousands means 1. Okay, this is the get started. Now you have to go to exercise 1.1. A Roman. Build decimal numbers with. Here write one number name. You have to write the number according to this. Okay. First read the question. 4 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, 6 in the tenths place. Okay. Here tens, ones, T and THs, tenths. Find the difference between tens and tenths, hundreds and hundreds. Okay. 4 in tens place, you have to write 4 in tens place. 2 in ones place, okay, ones tens, right, first places, okay. 4 in tens place, 2 in ones place, 6 in tens, tens means after decimals, okay. Next, second one, 3 in the ones place, ones, small t, small h. 0 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place. Here only two are mentioned, 3 in ones place, 5 in hundreds place. Tens place not mentioned here, so you have to write 0 in that place. Next, third one, 8 in the hundreds place. Here also write ones, small letters, tens, hundreds, thousands. 8 in hundreds place and 6 in thousands place. Remaining not mentioned here, so you have to write in that place zeros. Okay, this is called the build the decimal number. Build the decimal number using this number line, number name. Here second one, B Roman, C Roman, D Roman, E Roman. You have to done in CW. Okay, children. Now continue the notes part. The chapter 1 decimals term 2. Okay, in the exercise 1.1, A Roman already done in your textbook. Okay, next go to the B Roman. What is the B Roman? Write the fractional and decimal expression for each of the following. First given 15.16, you have to read 15.16. After decimal you have to write the numbers in single, don't read, okay, don't read 16. 15.16, read 16, don't read 16. Okay, now you have to write in finger gap and write the places, ones, tens, and t and ths, tenths, hundreds, point after. Okay, now we have fractional expansion. You have to write fractional expansion. How can you write? First write the places. Expanded form, first you have to write. Expansion means what? Expanded form, already you know expanded form in place value system, Indian system, international system, you have to write, you know. So in that way you have to write, but here after decimal fractional part and before decimal write the whole number part. Okay, fractional expansion, the expansion or expand anything. Okay, 1 into 10 means 10, 5 into 1 means 5, plus this is the fractional part, you know, so 1 by tens, 6 by hundreds, this is called a fractional expansion. Now another expansion is decimal expansion. How can you write decimal expansion? 10 as it is and plus as it is and 5 as it is plus as it is. 1 by 10 you have to write in decimal number. How can you write? Here 1 0 is there. Okay, 1 decimal place you have to write, that means 0 0.1. 1 write in decimal place, tens place. Okay, 6 by 100, 100 in hundreds place, no, so you have to write 2 decimal places, 0 0.06, 6 in write in hundreds place. Okay children, this is the fractional expansion. Decimal expansion is very important. Okay, did you understand? Remaining sums you have to done in homework. Okay, next go to the C Roman. Write a decimal for each of the following. Here given one expansion, this is write in decimal number. You have to write this in decimal number. 7 plus 2 by 10, how can you write decimal number? 0.2. Okay, already here you know it's 9 by 100, this is 100 place. Okay, you have to write 0.09. This is 3 by 1000, this is write in 0.003. Okay, next this is the whole number part, so you have to write before decimal 7 point. These three are fractional expansion, so you have to write in decimal point after decimal point. 0.2 means 2 in tens place, no, so you have to write 2 in tenths. 9 in hundreds, 3 in thousands place. Finally we get the answer 7.293. Okay children, next one more sum, second one, 6 by 10 plus 4 by 100. Okay, 6 by 10 you have to write 0.6. First you have to write in decimal number. 4 by 100 means 0.04. This is the hundreds place. You have to write one notation, 0.64. Okay, Next, go to the D Roman. Convert into decimals. Given some fractions, you have to write in decimal number. Very easy, no? 64. You have in denominator 2 zeros. So 64 is in hundreds place. 0.64. Thousands. Thousand. Here 32 is there in thousands place. So you have to write 3 decimal places. 0.32. Here 3 zeros already. So how many decimal places you have? 3 decimal places. So 1.964. This numerator is exist for 3 decimal places. Okay. Next 40 and 612 by 1000. This is called the mixed fraction. Children, you know mixed fraction? Whole number part and fraction, these two are called mixed. Okay, 40. This is the whole number part. So you have to write before decimal, and this is writing after decimal. 612. Very easy. Okay. Next, last Roman, convert into fractions. Here given decimal number, you have to write fraction. In D Roman, given fraction, you have to write decimal. But here given decimal, you have to write fraction. The 3.5, this is very easy. 3.5 means you have to write first numerator 35. How many decimal places you have? One decimal place. One decimal place means you have to write 10 only. Two decimal place you have to write in denominator 100. Three decimal place you have to write in 1000. Okay, here also three decimal places 1000. But here you have to write two models. 4321 by 1000, or you have to write in mixed number also. 4321 by 1000. This like. Okay, children. Did you understand this exercise? You have to do remaining sums. Try yourself in your rough book or homework, anything. Okay. Next, go to the checkpoint. In checkpoint, first of all, you have to learn like decimal, unlike decimals. Like decimals means you have to write same decimal places. Here once observe one, here one decimal place, here one decimal place, one decimal place. Okay. So this is called the like decimal. Here 2, 2, 2. So this is called the like decimal. Here 3, here 3, here 3. This is called the like decimal. Unlike decimals means you have different decimal place. Here one decimal, here two decimals. Different. Here one, here two. So different, no? So this is called the unlike decimal place. Here one, here two. Here 2, here 3 decimal place. So this is called the unlike decimals. This is like decimals and this is called the unlike decimals. Okay. In checkpoint, A Roman. Tick the group which shows like decimals. This is the like decimal. Here only one, two decimal places, one decimal. Different decimal places. So this is called the next. Here two decimal places, here two. Same number of decimal places. So this is like decimal. This is also like decimals. Okay, this is unlike decimals. Put into, this is the put tick mark. In B Roman in your whole classwork. Checkpoint C. Convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Given unlike decimal. Here two decimal places. Here no more decimal places. But you have to write put point 0 you have. So here three decimal places. Okay, different decimal. This is called unlike decimal. So convert into like decimals. So you have to do like decimals, then equal the you have to do the equal decimal places. You have to write. Put the zeros for that. How which decimal place is higher? Is here 2, here 0, here 1, 3. So 3 decimal places higher, no? So in all numbers you have to put the zeros for the 3 decimal places. 7.28, here one more decimal place you want, okay? So you have to write 1 0. Here 3 decimal places, so put point and 3 zeros. And here 3 already same as it is, right? Here now equal to 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal. So this is the like decimals converted. Okay, children. Then you have to do the remaining sums in your work. Okay. Now go to the 1.2. In 1.2, first to a Roman, compare each pair of numbers and put greater than, less than or equal to in the putting circle. Okay, first one, here 2.35, 2.36, which is bigger? 35, 36, point after compare. This one, so here 0.3, here 0.81 is bigger, here 5.4 is bigger, 16.707, here put 6.6 and 6.60. How can you compare? First you have to put 0 here. 6.60, 6.60, both are equal, no? So you have to put equal. This is which one? This is the which is big, this one is big. Okay, this is the comparison. Next, go to the rewrite in the ascending order. You have to do in classwork. Okay, it says 1.2 B Roman, rewrite in the ascending order. Ascending order already you know, so many times you have to do in your books, your textbook, last third class, fourth class. First one, sixth, 0.35, 3.5, 0.035, 35.0. First you have to convert in like decimal. Put they equal the decimal places. 350, 10 you want. Here 2 zeros you want. Here same like as. Here 2 zeros you want. This is the like decimals. Now write in ascending order. Which is small? This one. So you have to write first. Next, second one. Next, 3.5, 35 point, this one, 3. And this is the fourth place. You have to write this like order. Okay. Next, the Roman write in the descending order. Same. You have to first change in like, then you have descending order. But big to small you have to write here. Okay, children? Did you understand?